Good morning, y'all. Two people in here. Lord, Facebook and Nation Nanigans. Good morning, y'all. Come on in. Three people in here. Facebook, Facebook and Nation Nanigans. Facebook and Nation Nanigans. I see no comments, but I see people in here. So y'all come on in. I'm making biscuits this morning, y'all. I'm making biscuits. Oh, okay, there the comments go. Good morning, Susan. Good morning, Camila. Good morning. I'm not going to be here for long. I'm making these biscuits. And I don't have no heavy cream. Good morning, Brenda. Good morning, Betty. Y'all, I ain't got no heavy cream this morning. So, and we still want biscuits. I want Well, really, I'm looking for a quick breakfast to get me in and out because I got something to do. So, since I don't have heavy cream, I'm making just old-fashioned biscuits. And it's my self-rising flour down in this bowl. I'm using whole buttermilk this morning. And here's my shortening. Well, actually, this ain't even shortening. I'm using lard this morning to make these biscuits with. So y'all come on, let's get this. Good morning, Anna, Teresa Hughes. Good morning, y'all. Now this short and cold. Good morning, Shara, Anna Price, Turner, Cheryl here. Welcome, 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 Doris Thomas, Shamika McCorvey. Good morning. Y'all come on in. And if this is your first time here, y'all let me know where you're watching from. I thank y'all for joining me. So now since I don't have my good morning, Parrot Brown, how you doing, girl? Since I don't have my heavy cream, y'all, I'm making regular old biscuits. And in my bowl, I'm using self-rising flour. And if you've been with me for a while, you know when I use self-rising flour, I still like to add a little baking powder. And so this is about a little over a cup, maybe a cup and a fourth of flour. And to that, I only added a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder. So you see, I am not using much at all. And now since I'm using this lard, I'm going to use my pastry cutter to get this all mixed up down in this flour. Now you can use your hands, but this works good, especially if you're using uh, a solid. That's what I'm trying to say. Be it Crisco or whatever. If you use a solid, this is easier to me to use this pastry cutter. And plus, it's cold because I keep it in the refrigerator. So I'm using this just to get it in there good. Well, good morning, Gwendolyn, Latoya, Rachel Jones. Good morning. Deborah Saddleson, thank you, sweetheart. Good morning. Hannah Pye, good morning. Thank y'all for joining me. I hope your day is off to an amazing start and we made it to Friday, guys. Yes, we did. We woke up cold here this morning. We woke up to 33, 34 this morning. That's my oven going off. Let me know it's ready for these biscuits. Just getting this all in here. This was how I learned to make biscuit and got lazy along the way. But this is really the recipe I learned to make biscuits on. Y'all got anything exciting planned for the weekend? Good morning, Michelle Hall, Pamela Miller. Good morning, Christina. Hello, Cheryl Williams. Thank y'all for joining me this morning. Okay, let me get y'all. Y'all see that? Now, when you use a lard or any hard that, you want to mix it into your flour till it look like sand or little pebbles, just like that. Now, this is ready for the buttermilk. It's just a few more steps, but it's nothing complicated about these either. Just a few more steps. Move this stuff out the way, because I'm going to pour it right down here on this mat. And I'm going to roll and cut these this morning. Let me get this back over here. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing this morning? And I got my black skillet greased. Hey, Bobby McKillian. Kay Glover from Georgia. Well, welcome, Kay. Welcome, welcome, Cheryl Jones. Well, happy birthday, Cheryl Jones. Girl, I can't sing, but cheers to many more blessed and wonderful years. Good morning, Tina Thompson. Tama, good morning. Thank you, Tama. Good morning, Sherry. How's everybody doing? Shake the buttermilk. TJ Susbury from Houston. Yes, I am fixing breakfast. It's gonna be a simple breakfast. It's Friday. It's Friday. I don't feel like I'm already in the weekend. Good morning, Deborah Brandley, Kimberly Lee. Okay, down in here I got my flour, my lard, a little sugar, which you don't have to put sugar in your biscuits, but I like mine's a little sweet. Well, we like ours. Good morning, Jamie from Central Texas. D'Angelo, good morning. Good morning, Sheila. Yeah, I thank y'all for joining me. So let's go. I don't know how much buttermilk I'm going to use. It just depends on how many biscuits you want to make. But add it a little at a time, because you can add more, but you can't take it out. And y'all see that? That's a little dry. So I'm going to add a little more. Okay. Because we don't want but a few biscuits. I don't mind making biscuits anytime they want biscuits. Well, practically anytime. I'll make them. I don't mind making them. So I don't worry about trying to have some left over. Because I don't mind making them. But why didn't y'all tell me don't put that flour up? Lord, I don't have any to do my thing with, put down on my rack here. No flour. So let me clean my hands off and get me some flour. My goodness. You know, when you're rushing sometimes, I guess I better slow down though. When you're rushing, you can, forget things. That's how I left out the vanilla extract in that banana pudding. Okay, so let me get my flour back. I can put this back up because I'm not going to need this again. Oh, let me drop a tap on my chicken. I got my chicken over here. Let me just put a little on that. Okay. Good morning, Carolyn, Marshall Williams. Happy Friday to you, Nancy. Well, Nancy, because I have so much to do, that's why. Good morning, Lola. Good morning, Carolyn. Good morning, Ann. Okay, guys, so sprinkle some flour. Put some on my hands. Put some on my hand. That's my bowl. And that's how you want your bowl to look. And don't take much knead. Just turn it a couple of times and you good. Okay. And you can roll these, as thick or thin as you like. Okay. There you go. Get my skillet. And I got my old trusty black skillet here. Uh-oh, that one's stuck. Let me see if the rest of, well, that one didn't stick. That one didn't stick too either. That one's stuck. All I'm going to do is just put it back in there. And roll it back out again. That's it. old, old biscuit recipe, the original biscuit recipe. Buttermilk and flour. Well, good. And this little one right here. I get me one of them little things and put this one in. Because this a biscuit. Enough for a living, but I don't have enough room in here. I only got 4 in here. So that's good. I'm going to get one of my little things and put this one on. My little fajita pans. That's what somebody told me this was. Put him on him, buy him lonesome. I don't know how he's going to do by himself. Put a little. Okay. That's it for the biscuits. Wish I could squeeze him down in the center, but it ain't no room. Use this heavy cream. I'm just gonna got a little heavy cream in here. I'm just gonna put a little in my hand. You can use a brush, but I'm gonna do it just like this. Okay. They're the biscuits, y'all. Franklin Davidson is a scammer. Please don't respond. So these are going, y'all. I've been cooking my biscuits on $4.75, but I'm gonna try 500 today. I'm gonna try 500 to see if that'll come out better. I don't know. I see all these other bakers cooking their biscuits on 500. So I'm going to try 500 today. I normally cook mine on $4.75, so we shall see. For about 12 minutes, I'm going to time my oven. So they going in, guys. Wait a minute, y'all. I made a boo-boo. Okay. So now, let's fry some chicken. Good morning, Emma McPherson. Miss Rice, I can't say your name, but girl, you're a first-time viewer. Welcome, Miss Rice. Todd, I can't say it, but Miss Rice, I thank you for coming. Please come again. Thank you, Deborah. Good morning, Via Campbell. Good morning, Phyllis Atchison. Malia Robinson, good morning. You have a blessed and safe Friday as well. Good morning, Doretha, Carla, Christian, Brenda McCaskill. Well, welcome, Brenda. Welcome to Cooking with D. Jazzy White. Good morning. Good morning, June Green, Kenneth Clemens, Rosadale Simmons. Good morning, Tondela Robinson, Eric McCrae. Good morning, Marsha Greer. I thank y'all for joining me. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Cooking with D. Somebody from Texas, that was your first time, Journey Jones. Welcome, Journey Jones. Welcome. I thank y'all for joining me this morning. And please come back again. Please come back again. Good morning, Nellie Roseboro. Bernita Starworth, good morning. Angie Babe Bertrand, welcome girl, first time watcher. I am good, Crystal. Shirley Holloway, good morning. Oh, you just made some biscuits this morning, Shirley? I know they were good. Happy Friday to you. Jazzy White, I love you too. Good morning, Margarita. So guys, now let's get this chicken crack-a-lack in here. I'm just going to sit this out the way for a minute. But this mat here, if you make biscuits, get you one of these mats. Easy clean up. I'm going to dust it here and just put it in the sink. Nothing sticks to it. Very easy clean up. Now I just toss it in the sink. Okay. Put this back and we're going to get on this chicken. I got my oil over here heating. And this is my little chicken cutlet. Thank you for the stars, Miss Rice. Good morning, Alvinia. These are the little chicken strips or cutlets or whatever you want to call them. And I just got them soaking in a little buttermilk. And that's just to hold my batter on. And Dorita, I got that biscuit mat a couple of years back at Aldi. Thank you, Deborah. Good morning, Doris Waddell. Yeah, Cheryl, those lazy biscuits are good. If I had enough of heavy whipping cream, that's what we would have had this morning, but I didn't have enough. So I had to go old-fashioned way with what I know. Good morning, Marion Giles. Hello, welcome to the channel. Linda Lopez, good morning. I'm going to get some black pepper, guys. And black pepper is the only thing I'm going to, y'all can see it. Good morning, Lisa Collins, Melinda, I love Aldi too. Only thing I'm going to put in here is a little bit pepper because this batter is seasoned. This is seasoned batter that I'm using. Just going to get them covered. Okay. Looks like I got them all. Well, there's a piece I don't have covered. Trying to get them all covered. And looks like I got them all covered. Good morning, Lola G. Denise Crenshaw. Okay. Tell you what, I'm going to do those three first. Shake them up. Now those are ready. Yeah, Jazz, I love all the two. Good morning, Sharon Johnson, Linda Nesby, Sarah. I can't say your last name, Sarah, but good morning. I love you too, Tracy Hall. Okay, so now let's get over here to the skillet. Let me get y'all over here to the skillet. You swing you around. Y'all see that pretty good. I'm working with one hand, y'all, because I got one hand messed up, so I'm working with one hand. But I want y'all to be able to see. Now, can y'all see that? Y'all, let me know if you can see that good. Give me some thumbs and hearts if you can see down in that skillet good. Okay. Turn that back up. Because I had let it get too hot. So I had to turn it down. And y'all watch that while I get some more. And they're very thin, so it's not going to take them long to cook at all. Hello, Amita. I'm cooking some biscuits. We having chicken biscuits for breakfast this morning. Oh, Rika Buchanan, well, welcome. You're new here. Well, welcome, girl. Welcome, welcome. We're so happy to have you. You're in good company because I got some good folks on here. So any of y'all new followers here for the first time, you in good company. No drama over here. No drama. We uplift, inspire, and encourage over here. We don't have the drama. So I thank y'all for joining me. Well, the oven telling me the biscuit's ready, so let me peek in. Lord, and they are absolutely gorgeous. And they are ready. Put some butter on them. Get that little one out that's left in there. Yeah, him don't look so good, but that's alright. That is alright. Okay, let's get the rest of them in, guys. Y'all Dunkin' biscuits look good. Wash my hands. I know most of y'all have had breakfast by now, but y'all know, you who've been with me for a while know that Byron is on dialysis and I cook when it's almost time. Good morning, Trizette. Good morning, Lakeitria. What these rats right here, you know some. I I got those at the Dollar Tree. And when I don't want to drain, like I'm frying this chicken, I didn't want to, I don't like putting that on certain things on paper towels. Because what happens is, it sweats. So, I put it where the air can circulate. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. So I put it where the air can circulate. Who's that called? I hit the wrong button. I don't want to tear the loose. Look at them layers, how flaky that is. Good morning, Angela Haney, Anita Peters. Yes, ma'am, Anita. You must just be joining me. Yes, ma'am, they are homemade. I just made them, and these are old-fashioned biscuits from buttermilk. Hey, Lulu, I got some honey, girl. You waiting for the chicken, Lola? Well, girl, it'll be fresh out the skillet in a few minutes. Fresh out in just a few minutes. Oh, it looked like your mom, Melinda. Well, I bet you, your mom and I use the same old recipe. Angela, it's easy, girl. Go on, make you some biscuits. Good morning, Vivian. Good morning, Damian Woodard. My son's name is Damian. Welcome to the channel. I know you knew because I've never seen a Damian on here before. Because that's my son's name. Gonna take this other chicken up, y'all. They thin, so it... You breaking up, Marsha? Go out and come back in. It's done. Good morning, Pauline Talley. Pauline Talley, let me see. Hey, Hattie Palmer. Pauline, are you Tony's mother? Are you that Pauline Talley? Or is it just a coincidence? Are you Pauline Talley? Are you Tony Talley's mother? If you are, girl, hello. How are you doing? I heard about your husband, Pauline. So, I know it's hard. You've been with someone that many years. Good morning, Barbara Wilden. Let me see. Good morning, Icy. Hey, Brown Sugar. Hey, Wanda. Oh, Wanda, you had your breakfast. Good morning, Lavinia. So, guys, let's get a plate down here, a sauce or something. Get us one of these biscuits. Let's get us some and get us one of these biscuits. Y'all, can y'all see that? And yes, I am gonna put some honey on it. And y'all, I forgot to show y'all this in my box the other day I received from Miss Colleen, but isn't that just the cutest? Thank you for the stars, Frankie. Let me see, Pauline, what you say? I'd love to meet him after 16 years of marriage. Oh, okay, Pauline, I'm sorry for your loss, Pauline. I know a lady, Pauline Talley, that lost her husband not too long ago. But y'all look, now y'all know we're not going to use this. But isn't that just cute? A honey bear with a cap on. Hello, thank you for the stars, Frankie. Thank you. I'm going to sit that up there in. I'm sitting a honey bear up there in the window next to my gingerbread man. So let's get back. I want honey on both sides. We use a lot of honey, guys. Yes, we do. And there you have it. Thank you for the stars, Frankie Smith. Okay. So that's our breakfast, guys. Good morning, Gloria Greenlee. Anita, good morning. That's breakfast, guys. So I thank y'all for joining me this morning. I love you too, Juju Garcia. I love all y'all. So, So I thank y'all. I thank y'all for joining me this morning. I thank you for the stars. What is the name of what, Anita? Anita, what you want to know the name of? Good morning, Jackie. Thank you. Anita, what are you asking me? Oh, the buns I made my sandwiches with. Those were brioche buns. I also got those from Aldi. Yeah. Hey, listen, anything I utilize Aldi well because the prices are decent and I've never been disappointed with their with any of their products. I've liked all the products I have ever gotten from them. The name of them, they're Specialty Select Brioche Buns. Specialty Select. And they're good. They have the brioche hamburger buns and hot dog buns. Specialty Select. So guys, I thank y'all for joining me this morning. I hope your day has started out amazing. Happy Friday to you all. Yeah, I'm still reading comments as I go. Yeah, the veggies are good. As a matter of fact, I don't buy cheese anywhere, from anywhere but Aldi. Their cheeses is good. They have a wide variety of cheeses. And so that's where I buy my cheese from. And Aldi ain't paying me to say that, but yeah, that's where I get my cheeses. And most of my onions and cucumbers, tomatoes, squash, lettuce, their veggies I buy too. And sometimes I buy meats from Aldi if they have a good deal on it. I will buy meats from Aldi. Thank you, Shirley. Good morning, Janisha. Good morning. Grandson.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? I'm giving this to grandson, y'all.
Thank you.
I know he gonna want another one though. He's gonna want another one. Hello, Linda Jackson. And guys, let me tell y'all something. Good morning. I buy bacon from Aldi. Yes, Justin, that bacon is good. I buy bacon from Aldi. Good morning, Larry. Let me tell y'all this, guys. Sharing is caring. So y'all share the love. Share the old lady out with your family and your friends and your enemies too if you want to. Sharing is caring. So I love y'all. I thank y'all. Y'all have the most amazing rest of your day. Stay safe. Have a blessed weekend. And I'm going to be on the road again today, so I might not get back with you today, guys. I love you too, Claudia. And so, y'all know the drill. Until I see you again, I wish you love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye, guys.